types of traders based on the style of analysis that they use. Our first type of trader is called the fundamental trader. Fundamental trader. This type of trader actually uses news to make his trading decisions. So he's a news trader. His weapon of choice is the economic calendar. Okay, and websites such as, let me give you some websites: investing.com or forexfactory.com are great websites where you can go find an economic calendar. So an economic calendar is basically a calendar that has all the news events that are upcoming. They even go up to a year in advance. So you'll know in a year in advance that a certain economic factor is coming out. So I'm going to pop into investing.com so that I can show you how an economic calendar looks like. So if we have a look here under investing.com, there's a tab that says news, and under news there's economic calendar. So basically this is the weapon that we need. Jump in there. So just scrolling down, you notice that today on the 27th of February 2020, there were news coming out from the United States at 1 a.m. Also from Europe at 11 or quarter to 12. And more news coming out from the United States at 3:30, 2:30 again, and last but not least, pending home sales from the United States at 5 o'clock or 5 p.m. Okay, so basically during these times you expect that the dollar would be doing the most. Okay, let's get rid of this. So it is important for them to use this because they need the element of timing. Okay, so they need time and to know the currency affected. So that's what they're getting from this. And obviously by knowing the time and the currency, you are there when the market is about to move and make a big impact. So that's it for fundamental traders. There's really not much to it. You guys trade volatility, you trade time based, and you're trying to beat the market when it's mostly volatile. Okay, the second type of trader is your technical trader. So technical, all right, this style of trading is based on charts. So these are the guys that came up with all these theories like your Elliott wave, your candlestick patterns, your advanced patterns like rising wedges, double bottoms, harmonic patterns, and so on. So this is a chart type of trader. Right? Why charts? Because charts are the best way to represent history. Right? Represent history and to basically visualize history. So their greatest weapon of choice, kind of giving you the answer here. So the greatest weapon of choice is basically the history the market makes. Because once the chart has went up in that specific time, that data is there forever. All right. And as you know, some of the rules, the market will then come back down and then move up past the previous high that they've made, and the market goes higher and creates a new high before coming back and using that same place which was a high as now a new support area where the market will continue moving up. So this comes back from Elliott wave. So such theories are based on historical data and being able to read such patterns and making decisions accordingly. Okay, so to technical traders, history is everything. And I would say a great website for this type of trader is trading TradingView.com, because they feed off charts. You need to see charts on a daily basis. So let me show you what type of charts I'm talking about. So let's get to TradingView.com. Bam. So this is TradingView.com. So basically I need to see charts. Let's say maybe I'm interested in trading gold. So XAU USD. That's what I'm interested in trading. So I'm looking for trading ideas right there, and there should be technical ideas. So as soon as I hit search, it'll basically go through everyone that's using this and anyone that's posted anything on gold. So there's XAU USD, there's over 1,000 examples that I could look through, and these are the first ones. So usually they date them by the most popular and most recent. So currently we're looking at, on the 1 hour 60 minutes, a short trade. So I need to see this type of trades, this type of ideas. Someone else is looking at a longer trade, so they're buying the market up. Okay, so there we go. So you can have all the ideas that you want, because history is everything to everyone, and we can share our different ideas and where most traders would be buying or selling from. So that's TradingView.com. We might come back to it. So let's talk about the last type of trader there is in the market. So these guys to me are very important, and I believe that most people are this type of trader without even realizing. Okay, so without further ado, let's name this guy. So these are known as your Sentimental Trader. So sentimental types of traders, right? And these people are basically trading stats. Okay, they use tools to feel the market and just go with the majority. So they continue trends. So if they see that there's a strong buy in the market, they also want to buy. A strong sell in the market, they also want to sell. But it takes good stats to master this strategy. So obviously, again, I think the greatest weapon is obviously also TradingView.com. Okay, TradingView.com allows you to actually run stats, run searches through the system, and kind of give you an idea of where most people are buying from. Let's go back to TradingView.com. Alright, so if we go right back up here, let's say we're looking for ideas on the Euro USD. So we want to know how many people are actually buying or selling this specific currency. So let's just let it load up there real quick. So if you scroll down, you'll notice that there's a technical gauge over here. So this is telling you right now that most of the people on Euro USD are in a buy position. Okay, they could also get into a very strong buy position where you know that there's a lot of momentum, but so far you can even see the chart is moving upwards, and that's how we know that most people trading in this broker are buying. You can even go to another currency, just a quick one, USD/JPY. So what are most people doing there? Let's go see. So you scroll down, let it load, and yeah, most people are also buying USD/JPY. Okay, so now you get to gauge the market and see where the market is actually going by the use of stats. Okay, so these are typically stats. Another way that this type of traders can use this is using Forex screeners, which basically look for certain market setups, specific market setups that are good for you. One would be a trend following setup like this one. Okay, and we're looking for oversold market conditions, and then we'll give you all the strong selling markets here. So moving average rating, strong sell, strong sell. So this currency would be good to sell at those times. So obviously you need to work on these systems for them to work for you, to get the timing right and all that. So that's it for the 3 types of traders in the market based on the way that they look for information or search for information. So it's either the guy that uses news to make your trades, uses charts, your technical, uses stats, you're sentimental. It really doesn't matter. You can make money in all three. So just tell me, which one is your favorite? Do you like news? Do you like that high volatility moment? Are you a technical trader? Do you love support and resistance? Are you a sentimental trader? Do you trust that gauge? And what's going on with your trading, and how has it been for you as your type of trader? Please share your ideas, leave me your comments below, and tell me if there's anything I skipped that you'd want me to add to this. Till next time, peace.